Hello guys, this is TOSHIBA 12Kg inverter washing machine. The program is E64 error code program. So this is the PCB board program. So how to repair, I'll show you. To the PCB board. Model is AW-DC1300W. E64. Hello guys, today I fixed this TOSHIBA Inverter 12Kg repair error 64 problem. Repair PCB board. TOSHIBA SDD Inverter 12Kg repair error 64 problem. Now is working going. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching.